What's going on, guys? So today we're going to focus on a different car. The F80 engine is all back together, but still got to wait for a couple of things. But I am going down to Miami and I've been wanting to leave a car there. That way I don't have to trailer a car and drive truck and trailer, or just, you know, fly down like a normal person and have a car and don't got to worry about it. I think with the F80 coming up on pretty much being done, I'm really not going to be able to get to really do anything to this car or spend time or even drive it. So I think it's best I give it a little break and use it as a little daily Miami car, but also with a possible track day or two, but not as track focused as I originally wanted to. So, you know, like wheels, tires, have Ohlins Road and Track coilovers, and like maybe a seat and bushing shifter. So to me, that's a simple car. I had also bought a set of 10.5 squared bronze TEs that were originally for the F80, but then came across those 10.5 11 set. So what I'm going to do is put the bronze 10.5 squares on here, run 295 30 18 Bridgestone RE71RSs, and we'll turn this into like a little daily track car, but not as focused of a track car as I wanted to. So try and get this done before I leave tomorrow. All right, let's load up. I'm taking like the Ray valve stem and stickers and bag out because I think they'll just throw it away without thinking. All right, got everything mounted and back. Discount Tire by me does a great job. One guy there that actually takes his time and doesn't just rush through it. Before putting them on the car, I'm going to clean them up and put a Adams ceramic coating on them so I don't have to worry about doing it later. 20 minutes later, finally got them all wiped down with alcohol. Inside of the barrels, I guess because they're powder coated, are just super rough and you have to get off like this, we'll call it overspray, I guess. Gonna hit it with some of this. Actually, before that, I'm gonna put on the stickers. That way I can ceramic coat over it and it doesn't have any problems adhering to the ceramic coat. So got dark on me. I left one wheel on to see how the color combination would look. We're gonna go ahead and get the Ohlins coilovers installed. We have Ohlins Road and Track coilovers. Originally I had bought dedicated track and this company from Canada sent these. I went to try and return them and they offered a 50% refund. So if you know what these usually cost, 50% is a good amount. And I was like, all right, well, I guess I'm doing Road and Track. Wow, look, you ready? Huh. Okay. I'm impressed. Yada, yada, yada. Dust boot. Got the front two all set up. I did lower it to this being 5 3/8. I can't remember what it is in millimeters, but I think usually it's like 6, so it should be lower by like 40 millimeters lower than stock compared to 15. So that might be too low, but we'll see. All right, that took way too long. Gonna get the other side done and then do the rear. All right, check the clock. So now another confusing step included are these AKG shock mounts. It clearly says not M3. So they look to still work. I don't see why they wouldn't, but I guess Ohlins knew what they were talking about and figured they would work. So I'm gonna get this together with this helpful but confusing diagram, and then back on the car. Perch. Looks sick. But obviously the front needs to come down here. All right, let's go see if it rubs. What a mission. So that driver's side took way longer than required. It was just that lower control arm to the hub just did not want to go in. But then I go ahead and do this side, and you know, half an hour and everything goes as planned. So this is a typical working on a car type of day where one thing goes as planned but the other one doesn't. So I still need to lower the front, but for the sake of getting it on a trailer, I'm okay with where it is. Still have a front splitter for this, side skirt extensions, a rear diffuser, carbon hood. Yeah, also need to do a carbon roof, and then it'll be as I want it. So I really like how this came out. I like it more on here than the F80.